Hello, Uncle Spurt here, and today we're having a good hard squint at this wee beauty, the Pure Classic Active. It's your very own TV sound system, radio, desktop speakers, pretty much whatever you want, all packed into one lovely, simple, stylish standalone package. You can click the link down in the video description type section down below to bag your very own Pure Classic Active setup. Massive thanks to Pure for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techpurt Towers. Cheers! So first up, a cracking bit of unboxing. So this right here is everything that you get chucked in the box with the Pure Classic Active. We do of course have the actual speakers themselves. We have one remote control and batteries for the remote control. They didn't stinge out on that one. You've got yourself one radio antenna. It extends to quite an impressive length. And Pure has also kindly chucked in a pair of power cables. We do have a UK effort as well as a 2-pin jobby if you're in a different region. And last up, a bit of speaker cable action to actually get them connected. So the Pure Classic Active comprises a main powered unit backed by a secondary passive speaker. And the setup is thankfully pretty straightforward. Step one is of course plug in that main active speaker. We've then got to connect the active speaker to the passive speaker, but don't worry, no tools required. Just as well really, because the last time your Uncle Spurt tried to use some tools, let's just say that the aftermath measured on the Richter scale. All you got to do is unscrew these little doohickeys here, absolutely the correct technical term, and stick in the correct coloured wire and then tighten it back up. And do that for both the red and the black wire on both speakers, and then job done. You got a nice long cable as well if you do want to separate the speakers quite wide. And then all you got left to do is connect the aerial, and there you have it, Pure Classic Active, ready for action. Now first up, got to love Pure's Scandinavian inspired contemporary style in here. You got a choice of two different colours, either classic black or my absolute favourite, this lighter model with a lovely bit of oak panelling and some white fabric grille covers. Absolutely love the rounded design and that textured finish. And around the back end of that active speaker, you've got a pretty comprehensive selection of ports. So for instance, you want to hook up your Pure Classic Active speakers to a telly, we've got a bit of HDMI ARC action here. And you don't even need to stress about which way around you place the active and the passive speaker, because you've got yourself a handy left-right switch right here. And of course, when you got these speakers hooked up to your telly via HDMI ARC, you'll be able to change the volume using your telly remote. Of course, one of the advantages of the Pure Classic Active is its versatility, so you can hook up to a variety of devices, sound systems, laptops, turntables, etc. using the likes of aux, optical and USB connections. Or if you want to go completely wireless, you can also hook up to supported devices like your smartphone for instance, using Bluetooth. Just stick the speakers in Bluetooth pairing mode and be connected in just a couple of quick taps. And then you can enjoy a lovely lag-free experience whether you're just kicking back with some music or enjoying a bit of this bold twonk on YouTube. And you can swap between all of the various inputs quickly and easily just by fiddling with that front knob. As you can see, Pure has kindly slapped a dinky 1.3-inch OLED screen on the front end of that active speaker, so you can effortlessly tell which mode it's currently in. And sure, this may be rather wee, but it's also crisp and bright, so you can clearly see it from across the room, as long as your peepers aren't quite as knackered as your Uncle Spurt's. And don't worry if you can't be bothered to drag your lazy hide up off the sofa to manually fiddle with that knob, because you can always change the input, fiddle with the features, etc. using the bundled remote. And as you can see there, you've got dedicated buttons for all of the main modes. You can quickly and easily swap between them all with just a quick poke. And it's not exactly shocking given Pure's radio roots, but the Classic Active also has built-in support for DAB+ and FM radio. The Pure Classic Active will run a full scan for both DAB and the FM radio beforehand, so you've got all your stations lined up, zero effort. And then you've got a total of 40 presets which you can fill with your favourite stations to suit any kind of mood. And you don't have to spend absolutely ages searching through all of the different stations trying to find the one that you want. And if you do need to rescan at any point, well no worries, there's even a button for that right here on the handy little remote. Now the Pure Classic Active spaffs out a joyful bit of audio with 40 watts of power per speaker, and this effortlessly fills a good sized room with pretty beefy sound. The bass is restrained, but it doesn't disappoint either, whether you're enjoying a gritty action flick or some classic 90s hip hop like what I was just enjoying on these things. I'd love to continue to blast it out so you could all enjoy it at home as well, but unfortunately that would be copyright takedown central. But it brings back fond memories of bombing it through Chesterley Street in my knackered old 1 litre Vauxhall Corsa with the windows rolled down and Dr. Dre turned right up. We were definitely the coolest kids in town. The most impressive part of that audio is the vocals, which come through beautifully crisp and clear, which is perfect whether you're watching a movie or a telly show with quite a bit of dialogue, or just enjoying a lovely bit of acoustic music. And also you do actually have a choice of 3 different EQ presets to play around with: dynamic, comfort, and neutral. And personally I prefer that dynamic setting because it's closest to what I usually pick whenever I'm messing around with an EQ myself. Just boost those lows and those highs a wee bit, which is ideal for a bit of rock and shouty metal music. Just really breathe a bit of life into it. But if I'm just streaming an audiobook, watching a bit of video on my phone, something like that, then I'll definitely stick with the neutral mode, which really lets those vocals shine. And again, it's great that you can swap between those presets using that bundled remote. This thing's fantastic, all the features you would possibly need. My only complaint, if I had one, would be that it's quite clicky, and also there's no app support, no app replacement. But thankfully, if the remote does get lost or chewed to bits by the cat or whatever, you will find there are spare parts available on Pure's website. And that right there, my lovelies, in a tasty wee nutshell, is the Pure Classic Active Sound System. As you can see, not just highly stylish, but also a highly versatile bit of audio kit. Now, for all you need to know and to bag your very own Pure Classic Active setup, well, definitely check out that link in the video description. Massive thanks again to Pure for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techpurt Towers. Be great to hear what you guys reckon down in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, why not pop subscribe, ding that notifications bell. Make sure you have yourself a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers, everybody. Love you.